Hello all of you beautiful people out there, my name is Majestic Muffin and welcome back to Special Effects Saturday. We are getting right into it because someone, me, forgot to record an intro. I was doing a tutorial for a look I did over last weekend for an Exorcist style short film I was in. Well, that I did the makeup for. I'm not great at voiceovers, so I do apologize, but I'm trying something different. Let me know if you guys like it or not. Ignore that. But first I'm just starting with a white base all around, and I'm using a vampire wheel from Graftobian makeup. Super great cream makeup, I really do recommend. There's also probably going to be some weird spaces because I'm going to do a voiceover through the entire thing. I also wanted to do this to talk about the Face of Halloween, which is a competition. Oh, there's that vampire wheel. Now I'm putting, you know, purple in the inner corners of my eyes. I'm letting it out, and my nose and my lips. Anyway, Face of Halloween is a competition that happens every year. This really cool magazine puts it up. I'll put, you know, pictures and everything. They do donations every year for charity, and this year's for the Starlight Children's Foundation. Now I'm, you know, getting rid of all the makeup where I'm putting liquid latex. But it's a really cool foundation. Sorry. Now there's, I'm putting green all over my face, of course. But yeah, there's one person who wins every year, and I am doing the competition. Right now I'm in 3rd place. Liquid latex, you know the drill, liquid latex, cotton balls with liquid latex on top of it. And then I got my little shaper tool, of course. But yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and vote for me, by the time you see this, the first one in each group on this following Thursday is going to be the last one standing until the next cut, and I'm currently 3rd place, so if you could vote for me every day. There's a free vote every day, and then of course, because again it is for charity, you can go ahead and donate some stuff as well for extra votes. It's completely up to you, but you know, I think it's really cool, and if I win, I get 13 grand, and I also get to be on a magazine, and I also get to meet Matthew Lillard, so that's amazing. Obviously there are other people I get to meet as well, but he's so important to me. Yeah, this is my first year entering. I've seen it go around every year, you know. It's something that I've always wanted to enter, but I didn't feel like my stuff was good enough, and I do feel very confident in my abilities now. Oh, also, yeah, I'm blending the liquid latex into my skin. Ignore that. My contacts were super dry this day. You can see me blinking a lot. So annoying. So annoying. But yeah, it's something I haven't done yet, but I really have been wanting to. So you can see a bunch of my pictures up there, and I've been adding more pictures every week, and I've been changing my profile picture every week. Go and spread the word. Yeah, that's all I got, I think. And again, let me know if you like this voiceover type of stuff. It is fun yapping. You know me, I'm a yapper. Let me know if you guys like this or if you prefer the text. Because I've been doing the text for like 2 fucking years. I haven't actually tried to do a voiceover yet, I think. So, yeah, but this stuff is pretty much cut and dry. It's a lot of the same things. Like, there's a bunch of different cuts. Because, again, the director wanted this based on The Exorcist. And if you haven't seen The Exorcist, she has a lot of different wounds on her because, you know, demon possession, all the like. So I didn't copy it exactly. I put in my own twist on it with, like, you know, the upside down cross and everything. Oh, this is my fun little Bruise palette. My mini wheel from Ben Nye is basically almost gone. That shit is empty. So that's great. But I'm putting the darkest color in where, like, you know, the deepest parts of the cuts are. I'm not going to my left cheek yet because, my left face cheek, because that's still wet. So this is a fun little Illustrator palette. We're going in with the blood tone, just putting that all over the white. We're going to be layering this stuff, so you can tell that it's, you know, still see-through and very white still. So we'll be doing more layers, of course, when we continue, and we wait for this fun little alcohol to dry. Thank God alcohol is quick drying. And now we are doing the aged blood in the middle as well. And again, we'll be doing multiple layers of this shit too. That is my Ben Nye Undead palette. Very fun little mini palette there. I'm just going in with my vein tone there. And, you know, you'll never guess, making veins. I have this gorgeous fine brush that I'm using, which is so nice. It's so nice. It's so nice because I tend to be heavy-handed. I try not to be, obviously, but you'll see in a second. Not here, but here. There. I still tend to be a tiny bit heavy-handed. So now I'm just doing the same thing that I did on all the other stuff there. And I chose 3 scratches on this side and 3 other wounds there. Because in a lot of like horror, you know, movies involving demons, they oh, now we're doing bruising. I'm using that purple there, and then I'm gonna use that ultra blue there in a second as well. But you love adding shit in 3s there to, you know, mock the Holy Trinity with the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. So I was like, okay, this is gonna be a fun touch. If I do 3 here and 3 there, and then I was like, director, what do you feel about an upside down cross? And he loved it. And you saw I put way too much purple there, so I'm just adding white on top of that. He loved it. It looks great. At the very end of this, you'll see the pictures that I took of our actress after I did makeup, before I added blood. Oh yes, there was a bruise I had on her. I put a very fun little nasty yellow color with my Bruise palette, and then green, and then I added dark blue in the very middle, and around that I added some red as well. The bright red, not the deep red that we saw earlier. The red is for, you know, those capillaries that break in your skin, all that fun shit. And here we are going in with another round of blood color. I also forgot to do it in this tutorial here, but I did also at the very end use Ripper FX spray dirt, which is a so godsend. Beautiful bottles, just amazing. I love using them so much. They have just perfect, they're just so fucking perfect. And then again, going with this ultra blue here, very, very potent blue. You need to be so careful adding that shit because it is so blue. It's so blue. And now this is Sweat from Ripper FX. You know, simulates sweat. I'm just adding in the highlighting areas, and then on top of that bruise there, so make her a little glistening. And then I'm doing one more round of our aged blood in there before I start adding the actual blood, just to deepen them some more. So that did say scratch blood on it, but it's almost gone, so she's been through the ringer. I'm just adding that just on top of our aged blood as well. So the scratch blood is, I know it looks pretty dark, but it looks that dark because I added all that extra dark colors in there. So it is pretty light colored. You could probably get away with it like on stage or something, but, and then of course my Ripper FX thick blood. I ended up being more gratuitous with this than I was when we filmed, but because, you know, we were into rented space, and in here I'm just in my bathroom. And now we are done. So again, let me know if you like this. That was me realizing I forgot to record my intro. Let me know if you like this type of style of, you know, voiceover and everything. Make sure to vote for me for Face of Halloween, pretty please, and enjoy these pictures. And like if you like it, subscribe if you like it, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in the next video. Bye-bye.